So today I got Star G640 XP pen which I am going to unbox. So this is a very thin tablet which you can use for painting and also teaching online, taking notes, and also many other uses are there for academic purpose. So you can see here specification, active area is 6x4 inch. So smaller and bigger size are also available, but those are very costly. This I bought with 4,000 rupees only. Pressure sensitivity is 8192 levels. Pen, battery fill, stylus. So inside package, it is inside package pen is also available. Interface support USB, that means you can connect it with computer through a USB. That should be also provided inside the box. And application operating system, so it supports both Windows and Mac also. So I will show you by using it in Windows 10. So let me open it first. So this is the USB cable through which one can connect this tablet with the laptop or desktop computer. So this is the tablet. You can see it's very thin, very thin. So this is the holder part, and inside this square you can write, and also you can take your notes. So you can look, it's very thin. So I don't know where it is made, whether it is made or in China or USA. So here it is written in the back side, a graphic pen tablet. Warning: to prevent electric shock, do not remove cover. Designed by XPN Technology in California, made in China. So this is a China made thing. I mean, no India companies. I don't have any idea whether any Indian company manufactured this. Okay. So next, other things are also available. A pen is provided. You can see with the nib. So pen is of black color, and also a set of other nibs are also there. So you can also use that. A ring type thing is also given. I don't know its use. And there are other things like guarantee card and where to install the drivers, from where you have to install the drivers, and also the guarantee card you can see. Okay, let us try to connect it into laptop. So here I connect the USB cable here. This mobile type charger. Let me first connect. So this is the USB cable which has to be put in the laptop. So now it's ready for use. So here you can see that I will use the pen to write here, and in your screen that will appear. So you can see the icon here, Windows Link Workspace. So this icon will disappear once I disconnect this tablet. Now you click on the icon. Here one option is coming, whiteboard. If this whiteboard app is provided by Microsoft, if it is not installed, so then it will ask to install. In my laptop it is already installed, so it will not ask. Let me open it by clicking on whiteboard. Now you can see a blank screen here, and in the below there are different colors of pens are available. So you choose on particular color. Let me choose black. So you can choose the width of the pen nib. So let me choose the thicker one. So I will use use this. So now you can see I have drawn a circle. You can draw a smiley here also. So the cursor is moving here. There are two switches are also available here. You can use to erase the marks by using the pen. So here you can see I can erase whatever I want by using this pen. Now I will choose a different color, say red, and I will show by something writing. So right here, note academy. So you can see that it can be used for writing notes and also for online teaching purpose. It is very easy, although the official website is asking to install the driver, but I didn't install any driver. I have started using it by directly connecting the tab with the laptop. So the purpose is you can paint whatever you want. Apart from that, you can also use it for the purpose to write note. So this is a very cheap thing. I bought it by 4,000 rupees. So this is available, bigger size or smaller size, they are also available. You can purchase one. If you don't have enough money to buy an iPad, you can use this to do online teaching or for painting, whatever you want. Thanks.